Hey everyone, I hope you are all doing well. This time I would like to share with you about how to retrieve or restore call history on Android Samsung Galaxy phone. By default, your Samsung phone will automatically do backup for some data, including your call history, to the Samsung cloud once every 24 hours, in condition that your phone is charging, connected to a Wi-Fi network, and the screen is off. So unless you manually disable the backup option, it's safe to say that your phone has backed up your data and you can restore the data you need by using that backup. Okay, back to the topic. To retrieve or restore call history on Android Samsung Galaxy phone, as the example, I will do the step by using this Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. First, open phone app. Tap recent to see all call history, and then I will delete the history. Now we will use the latest backup to restore the call history. To do so, go to the setting menu by swiping down the top of the screen, and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find account and backup. Tap account and backup. Under Samsung Cloud section, tap restore data. If you have multiple devices that are signed in using the same Samsung account, your phone will list all the devices here. Next, select the required device where the backup you like to restore is in. As the example, we will select this phone or Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. Now, select the data to restore. In this case, select call logs. And then tap restore to start restoring. If you use mobile data as your connection, you may be informed that doing this may result in additional charge. If you would like to continue, tap use mobile data. Now tap send button. A pop-up menu will appear to ask you to free up space in your Samsung Cloud by deleting your old backup. You can tap later to skip it or tap delete to delete the old backup. Now go back to the phone app. You can see that your call history has been restored in the recent tab. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.